Hey everyone, Dan here. Before we get into it, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. And also keep in mind that these are my own thoughts, opinions, and ideas. These are not meant to be, nor should you take them as investment or trading advice in any way, shape, or form. Do your own due diligence, put in the work for yourself, and make your decisions based on that. Enjoy. All right, folks, here we have after market close on Thursday, November 18th. We're going to take a look at Facebook today. So I jumped into a call on Facebook, and I'll talk about what the strike and expiry and all that is in a few minutes when we look at the flow. But first, I wanted to take a look at the chart and talk about what I was seeing there that bolstered my conviction to jump in and take a call option. So pretty choppy movement here, though it's kind of been in a pretty consolidated range really for a while, but I do see this uptrend support that has taken shape, and hopefully it can continue to evolve and provide support. And if it does, then I think that there's pretty solid resistance level here at 344.60 and again at 350.52. But if that uptrend support can hold, it'll essentially turn both of these into ascending triangles and could give Facebook a good opportunity to blow through those and make some pretty strong moves out of those ranges. And if so, then it could put my call option in play and really kind of help boost the price. But that's what I'm looking for on the daily. Also, it's kind of wrestling with support on the EMAs at the moment, and we're really close to potentially having a bullish crossover with this 12 crossing over 34, and then the 12 crossing over the 50. Both of those will be bullish crossover, bullish moves, and so that could additionally help sort of carry the price in the direction that I'm looking for it to go. But that's, like I said, what I'm looking for in the chart, it's basically as simple as that. I would consider the trade going bust probably if this uptrend support dissolves and loses that, because the ascending triangle progression through each of these resistance levels depends on this established or some established uptrend to carry it through. And also, would be cautious if the EMAs, for whatever reason, gave way. It's also situated on the 180 MA, is situated right where this uptrend support is at the moment. So that gives me additional hope that at any meeting of this support level with the price action that it would have pretty solid ability to bounce. Now, on the data side of things, what I saw that made me even take a look at the Facebook chart and consider jumping in is this ridiculously bullish flow. Now, this is all stuff coming in from today. I'll just scroll down to the bottom here. So this is stuff that started rolling in before noon today. So I won't flip back to a different page and bring in other stuff. I think this is plenty to go off of. But you see in this view here, one bearish trade. We have two more up here, and that's it. So 3 bearish trades in this whole page. So a ton of premium going into calls, and you see a bunch of those situated at the 360, 1217, 350, 1217, toward the end of the day here, 365, 1217. I joined in on the 360, 1217. That's what I grabbed. So looking for it to make, pretty solid move. It's what, $22 away from there. So it's a pretty decent percentage gain for something that's, already fairly established in Facebook. And with the name change and all that jazz, I've never had such a hard time deciding what logo to use on the thumbnail of the video and and the title. Yeah, it's weirdness, but whatever. Yeah, this is the flow on unusual whales. Now, the thing that's sort of like off kilter here is the overall bull premium is 47% versus the bear premium of almost 53%. So that's a little bit out of whack, but I couldn't ignore the strong bullish flow that was coming in today and just consistently kept coming in today, and pretty solid out of the money calls with decent strikes coming up. There's a 340 here for 1126, and there's another 1126 somewhere. There's 1119s here for 345. I mean, that would indicate that tomorrow it's going to have a banger of a day. I mean, I don't know that those will actually end up in the money, of course, but if whoever was placing those bets is right, those could also be lottos for whatever reason. Just a lot of premium to spend on a lotto, but I don't know what the life of a whale is like. That might be chump change. But yeah, in any case, it's basically as simple as that, not to complicate the video any further. But if you look at my Twitter, I'll put the handle in the description below. If you look at my Twitter from today, I walked through how I was trying to do a good job or a responsible job of timing my entry. I ended up taking it around here, I think, as it was establishing over the VWAP, and then it just kind of struggled with the VWAP for the rest of the day. But tried to make a nice move up in the after hours. We'll see if there's something cooking there potentially, but who knows. In any case, I'm interested to see if this plays out, and if so, what sort of bolsters the price that much that gives it a run. You always wonder if a bunch of people know a bunch of stuff that's gonna sort of hit the public newswire or whatever in the coming days or weeks. All right, folks, I hope that you had a good trading day and that this gives you something to chew on, or at least something to look into and, think and see what you see in the charts and in the flow and in the data and whatnot. But yeah, I hope your trading week is going well and that you finish it off strong tomorrow, and I appreciate you watching. I will see you in the next video.